Hey devs, and especially Gamal Prater, you probably already have long forgot about me, but I have thought about you for every single day. Okay, maybe not so much like that. We're gonna switch to the intro. So you asked for a kind of tool to measure the lengths in game, and after 1 year I finally managed to make it ready, and not only for you, it's available for everyone on my public Google Drive folder where I put many of my projects, and remember, you may use them however you want. I hope you will find them useful. Anyway, that tool I just created has a lot of features. I am not gonna cover them all and provide any tutorial, as it's not something to cover in a short video, and also I struggle a lot with many things, and once I even had to ask the Reddit community for help, but I found my own solution for the problem as I am the one who's solving them, so I had to deal with it on my own. So what can it do? Right, let's begin with that the measurement tool can measure.
Wow. Just wow.
The next thing it does is to spawn grouped measures that also measures, but this time it will show us the total length. And the last thing I want to mention is you can delete the measure.
Oh my god.
I will not cover all of the functions on that video, you have to uncover them on your own by downloading the project and messing around, or just look at the right side of the editor. Also, there's a little Easter egg hidden inside of the blueprint, so why not try finding it out? Tell me in the comments if you have found it. I will try to keep the project updated and add some new functions, and as well take rid of that weird bug with the second sphere I see when I empty group mode after I spawn one, but for now I'm gonna grab a coffee and enjoy some sun as I spent too many hours creating this and this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and like always, wish you the best with your projects. And remember, always be like legend.